Hey everyone, welcome to Botland Recap number 26. I want to dive right into where we were at the end of last week's video, which was customizing a blueprint with hardware. There's a concept of scalable hardware, which is hardware where you can pick the level it's going to end up as, and you can see that get reflected here. There's level 1 lasers, only takes up 1 slot, level 2 takes up 2, and level 3 takes up 3, and eventually the UI will tell you damage numbers and range, and you'll see how that changes with level. There's also the concept of non-scalable hardware, which for the sake of this video, let's just use teleport as the example. This is locked in at either level 2 or level 3. You don't get to pick. When I drop that onto my blueprint, you can see it gets filled in as level 2. One of the other things that this UI now lets you do is buy items and sell items. So we can go down here to, let's say, reclaim regen. I can't currently drag this over onto my bot, and eventually there will be a UI queue showing you that. But if I were to purchase this, then all of a sudden I can do that. If I sell off the last of an item that I'm using, so for example, I sell off this item I just bought, it will automatically remove it from any blueprints that happen to be using it. One of the other big things that I worked on this last week was editing a script. Right now you can only do this via JavaScript. Eventually you'll also have Blockly, and you can see some placeholder text up here. If you try typing an invalid script and you hit update, it'll tell you that you have errors. But if you do update it, this will get updated on the server as well. So that is hooked up. Finally, there's one more thing to show you, and that's the play button. By pressing the play button, you'll go into the matchmaking queue. From here, you could leave the game if you want. You'll go back to the unfinished news page that I have. And for the sake of this video, I set this to just 2 players required to join a game. So when I join as 2 players, it will put me into a game. This UI is not finished yet. This is the game UI that you're probably used to seeing from old recap videos. At most, you can zoom in and pan around, but there's no real gameplay yet. That's all for this video. If you want to watch the development of Botland live, please click the link below in the description. Thanks for watching.